Senate Bill 722, Child Care Flexibilities. Senator Krovic.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. And Mr. Chairman, I do have an amendment.
Yes, ma'am.
And I would like for staff to explain it. It's strictly technical.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Jessica Boney, Legislative Analysis. So the technical amendment, it just clarifies that the required formal education and experience may also be with children birth to 3 years of age. And this just allows those seeking a CDA credential in that age group to have experience with an education on that age group. So purely technical, staff-generated amendment. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Questions on the amendment? We have a motion to approve the amendment from Senator Jarvis. All in favor of the amendment signify by saying aye. Aye. Opposed? That motion passes. We are back on the bill.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Members, Senate Bill 722, Child Care Flexibilities. I'm sure all of you are aware of the child care workforce shortage that we've been dealing with, and many of our quality-rated daycares and learning centers have been really short of staff. Their ratings are, we did actually hold them harmless on their rating system through COVID. And we're trying to get back to normal now, but there's still a tremendous shortage in all of these centers. We're having trouble finding teachers. They're all having the same issues. What this bill will do, it directs the Department of Health and Human Services and the Early Education Division to develop and implement criteria that will allow for a Child Development Associate. And this is a certification that these workers will be able to obtain that will help with, it gives them the training that they need to hold on to those star rating systems that have been so vital to them in their day-to-day activities. So I would appreciate your support, and I'll be glad to answer any questions.
Questions from members or comments? Senator Mayfield.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Senator Krovic, is this a credential that is already offered by community colleges? Where would someone obtain this credential?
You have to have a high school degree or GED equivalent. You complete 120 hours of formal early childhood education with no fewer than 10 hours in specified subject areas. Complete training through an organization that has expertise in childhood education, and within 6 months of submitting the CDA credential application, prepare a CDA professional portfolio and select a CDA professional development specialist, verification visit, and within 3 years of submitting the CDA credential application, obtain 480 hours of professional work experience. So this is a work-based learning.
Great, thank you.
Follow up? No. Any other questions from members? Does anyone from the audience wish to speak on this? We have an indication of no. With that, the chair would entertain a motion to approve. Senator Bergen moves for a favorable report for the bill as amended, rolled into a new PCS with a referral to rules. Is that your motion, sir? Yes, sir. All in favor of the motion signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Opposed? That motion passes.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Thank you, members.
Thank you. And that is all the business I have on my agenda. Is there anything else to come before the committee? Hearing none, we stand adjourned.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.